Want this? Alright, I'll tell you how to make this kind of transations. First, get your images ready. You can get them from Pinterest. First, open Chrome browser search pixverse.ai. Open new tab, search for temp mail. You can make unlimited accounts to use pixverse.ai for free. Tap on copy. Go back to Pixverse.ai. Go on menu, tap to log in, then sign up. Add any username and paste the email we copied earlier. Tap on continue. It will ask for code. Just go back to temp mail, scroll down, and copy the code. Go back to Pixverse.ai and paste the code. After signing up, tap on Transations. Use this settings quality 1080p, duration 1 second. Add the first image and second image. Tap on Create. Wait for a moment. Download it. Repeat the same process over again and again. After downloading all clips, open CapCut and import them all. Adjust the clip size first. Then adjust the speed according to beats. Go to adjust, use this graph. Use this graph settings on all clips. Alright, that's all for the tutorial. If this helped you, please drop a like and subscribe.